Good morning, children. Now today we will solve our exercise 10.4 and we will learn some about classification of quadrilaterals. Okay. So in quadrilaterals, you also know already in your previous class that in quadrilaterals has four side, four arm, and now we have to study about some other types of quadrilaterals and classification of quadrilaterals also. Okay. So first of all, you see in your book that first quadrilateral is given parallelogram. So what is parallelogram? Parallelogram. Okay. What is parallelogram? We have to know in brief. A quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Is known as parallelogram. Okay. So a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. As you can see in your figure here, as this type of figure given that, sorry, this type of figure given that, this type of figure as, okay, and this is as, okay, and sorry, here as given that, okay, and this diagonal also as given that. Name this quadrilateral given that ABCD, A, B, C and D. Okay, and this intersecting point known as O, where the both diagonal cuts at this point named O, and also given that this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Okay, that means DO or OD is equal to OB. OD is equal to OB, and here also you find that AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC. Okay. Here some properties of parallelogram also given that. What are the properties? First of all, we raise this, and then you have to understand the properties of the parallelogram. Okay. As is given that parallelogram as this is O, A, B, C and D, and this is equal to this is equal to this, as given. In figure ABCD, the parallelogram in which AB parallel to BC and AD parallel to BC. AB parallel to DC. Here also you can see that AB parallel to this side parallel to this side, DC or CD, okay, and also AD parallel to BC, AD parallel to BC, okay, AD parallel to BC, because you know already by the definition that a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides, both pair of opposite sides are parallel, okay, that is called parallelogram. Properties. What properties are parallelogram? First property is opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, okay. And in second, here also given opposite angles are equal, so this angle is equal to this angle and this equal this, okay. So opposite angles are equal, opposite angles are equal, okay, and diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals bisect each other at the point O. Third property, diagonal bisect each other at the point O, okay, and diagonals are not equal. This property you have already know that diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal, okay. So these are the properties of the quadrilaterals parallelogram, okay. Now we have to again study about some other types of quadrilateral. So we get this, and you have to also write this and learn this, okay. You have to learn the properties and the definition of this quadrilateral parallelogram, okay. In second given that square. What given that? Square, okay. In square you already know square is a quadrilateral. Square is a quadrilateral in which the four sides of quadrilateral are same, okay. Square is a quadrilateral in which the four sides of quadrilateral are same, okay. Also given that a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal and each angle is right angle, and also you know that and each angle is right angle, okay. Some as this type, okay. So this is equal to this is equal to this is equal to this, and this A, B, C and D. This ABCD is a square in which four the sides are equal, okay. That is called square. That is called, this quadrilateral is called square, and all the angle is equal to 90 degree. All the angle is equal to 90 degree, okay. So this is the property of the square. Here also given that the diagonal of the quadrilateral bisect at the definite point O to each other. Okay. Here also properties. What are the properties of square? So properties in first property, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Okay. Second, all angles are right angles. All angles are right angles. Okay. Third, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Again, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree and are also the same length. Okay. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Here also you can see that this position is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, and this will be 90 degree. Okay. So diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree and same length. Okay. As you say that this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Okay. That means the four segment of diagonal also equal to each other. Okay. So this is the property of a square. This is the quadrilateral. Now again we have to know, we have to study about rectangle. Third point, given that rectangle. What is rectangle? In rectangle, a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal or same in length and all the angles are 90 degree, that is said to be rectangle. Okay. So this is a rectangle. In rectangle, as by definition, you know already that opposite sides are equal. Okay. Opposite sides are equal. The diagonal bisect each other and all the angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. This also A, B, C and D. D. Okay, A, B, C and D. And diagonals are same length also. So we have to also know about the properties of this rectangle, this quadrilateral rectangle properties. What are the properties? First property, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal in length. And all angles are right angle, that means to 90 degree, right angle 90 degree. Okay, second property, diagonals bisect each other and diagonals are same length. Diagonals are same length. Okay, as I say already, diagonals are same length. Okay, sorry, the four diagonals are same length. This equal to this equal to this. Okay, four are same length. So this is the property of rectangle. You have to also write all the definition of all quadrilaterals, and you have to also learn about the properties of all types of quadrilaterals: rectangle, square, and parallelogram and rhombus. Okay, so again we have to know about rhombus. What are rhombus? The four types rhombus. Okay, in rhombus some S types of figure you have given that a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal is called rhombus. A quadrilateral in which all sides are equal is said to be rhombus. Okay, as type of rhombus given that as okay, these are rhombus. Name LMNO given that L, M, N and O. And also as given that this is as given that, and this intersecting point will be O, and all the angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay, all the angle is equal to 90 degree. So we have to know about properties. Properties of rhombus. First property, all sides are equal. All sides are equal in length. This is equal to this, is equal to this, is equal to this. Okay, all sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Here opposite sides, that means to LO parallel to MN. Here LO parallel to MN and also diagonal parallel to LM. Okay. Second, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Third point, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Equal. Opposite sides are equal. In fourth, diagonals bisect at right angles. Diagonals bisect at right angles 90 degree. Okay. And in fifth, diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal to each other. Diagonals are not equal. Okay. So some of the properties of this type of quadrilateral rhombus, and you have to also study about trapezium, isosceles trapezium, and kite. Okay. So these three types of quadrilateral and the definition, and this chapter also we will solve next day because time is over. We stop our writing. Thank you, children. But all of you have to also write, and you have to also draw the figure, and you have to also write properties, and you have to learn. You have to write and learn all about quadrilaterals. Okay. So we stop our writing. Thank you, children. Thank you.